Good morning, guys. We are back on another episode of, I don't remember what I called this video, to be honest. I think this series is just how to build a shop or building a workshop. This is a 48 by 56, 16 foot tall workshop. It's got that raised cord. You've seen it while we were setting the trusses, and we're getting really close to wrapping up this exterior. Today is number 8. We've been on site for 8 days, not 8 great days. Today they're calling 8 inches of snow, supposed to start after lunch. So we've got a big morning. We're gonna try to wrap up the 3 sides of the building and just really do our best to clean up the site and make sure that when we leave today, whatever happens this weekend with snow, we come back on Monday and we can get to work without having to do a lot of cleanup, setup, prep work so that we can keep moving. So what I'm gonna work on this morning, first thing, is wrapping up the south side. Well, we ran out of roll house wrap. We didn't want to open any more up because I don't like leaving house wrap up on a post frame in any sort of potential wind, because there's no sheeting on a post frame, so that house wrap is open to the world, and that can mean if you aren't careful, your house wrap can get ripped off quite easily. We've got our wainscot trim getting going, and we've got soffit fascia on the north side. So my biggest goal today, hands down, no matter what, I want to have that north side finished, because 8 inches of snow on that sloped ground, I don't want to go back there. In case you were wondering, this J channel, I put that silicone sealant behind it just to prevent any water from going back behind, but then also this has a slight tilt on it because there's a little bit of a channel around the window, and so I'm able to push the backside up into that window, so any water that would come down is not going to go backwards. If it does wick back there, it is going to hit that silicone and not be able to go any further, but most likely what it's going to do is, since it's on a slight angle, water's going to run out and over the edge. Oops. to 3/4. Make sure this is up high enough. I'd rather go a little high than not high enough there. So it's probably about 2:30 p.m. The snow was originally supposed to come around 3 o'clock. That's what time the winter weather advisory was supposed to take place, but it looks like we're not going to see the snow until around 6 or 6:30 tonight. So that means we're going to get a full day here at the site. It's definitely dropping temperature a little bit. The wind's picking up. Maybe you can hear the house wrap in the background, but we're doing pretty good. We're getting this front soffit fascia done. Greg's trying to take care of the rest of the steel on that north side, and I think we'll probably make our goal of having those 3 sides done, the ridge cap done, and getting this site perfectly cleaned up and ready for a winter storm. But I gotta keep moving forward because time is ticking and we got a lot to do yet. So I think we can do it, but we need to actually do it to do it. So let's get to work. Not a bad day, guys. I got done what I wanted to do. I mean, I wanted to do more, but let's be honest, I knew probably what we were going to get done. We got our 3 walls done, we got our roof done, and we're gonna have this site really nice and cleaned up here in the next 10 minutes before we leave. Not bad for, I think this is 8 days. Yeah, I mean, for 8 days, is it spectacular? No. Winter time is never as efficient as you hope it to be. Taking time to record some videos does take some time. Definitely worth it. I enjoy it. Hope you guys are enjoying it. And with that being said, if you are enjoying it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Maybe hit the notification bell so you know when we drop another video over here on the channel. And it would be very nice of you to share it. Use that little share button. Send it out to your Facebook friends or just your real friends. Maybe they'd enjoy it too and want to subscribe. Really appreciate the support. We'll see you guys next week on another episode. And let's hope that the weathermen are wrong and we don't see much snow at all here this weekend, so we can come back and have a good start to our Monday, because my guess is we'll be wrapping up that front wall and starting on our inside. So we'll see you then. Thanks a lot.